Please keep the voluntary donations coming. If you haven't made a contribution yet, please kindly consider helping me get a new iPad so that I can more easily and quickly make more videos. Instructions on how to make a voluntary contribution may be found here. https://t.me/furatkabarbaru/3580. Any amount would be a great help because my current iPad Pro is 8 years old and has a slow processor which doesn't fully support the latest versions of software. It has 256 gigabytes of memory, and even then it takes 1 minute 45 seconds to import a photo into iMovies. Sometimes it has technical issues, egg freezes and hangs, overheats, and I have wait for the battery to drain completely before I can recharge and reboot it. Can causes inevitable delays. It takes me hours to edit and render short videos. Sometimes, with videos on time-sensitive issues, I am forced to edit using my iPhone, which also takes a long time as I'm a visually impaired person, VIP, with multiple eye issues. Thanking you in advance. Aslan Adnan, founder Green Party of Malaysia.